Time to learn the first method to solve for quadratics. This is called factorization. For that we have this equation, x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Very important, it must be equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we have to rearrange the equation using the algebra techniques we have been learning so it is equal to 0. Let's identify the coefficients of a, b, and c. We're going to take the coefficient of a and multiply it times the coefficient of c. So 1 times negative 21 is negative 21. And then on this side, we're going to take the coefficient of b, which is negative 4. Let's move them up so we have a space. Now it's going to get tricky. We need to find two numbers. When we multiply them, we get ac, or negative 21. But when we add them or subtract them, we have to get b, which is negative 4 in this case. You can pause this video and try it on yourself because it takes practice to master this skill. What we do recommend is to first focus on the numbers when multiplied are equal to AC or negative 21. But we recommend not focusing on the negative for the moment. So let's find two numbers. When we multiply them, we get 21. We have 21 times 1 and 7 times 3. Now we add them. 21 plus 1 is 22. 7 plus 3 is 10. It didn't work. So let's try subtracting them. 21 minus 1 is 20. 7 minus 3 is 4. We are close because this is 4, but it's not the negative 4 of b. So let's just switch the signs. And what do we get? Negative 7 plus 3 is negative 4. So we find the numbers, and these numbers we call them the magic numbers because we can rearrange our equation using these magic numbers. And especially when a equals to 1, like in this case, we can even take a shortcut because this equation is going to be rewritten as x plus m times x plus s. And what is m and s? It's just the magic numbers. So we replace it. Instead of x plus m here, we can replace the m for negative 7. Now it's x minus 7. And instead of the s here, we can replace the 3. And now it's x plus 3. Once we have it on this factor form, it is equal to 0. So we apply the zero product property, which means each parenthesis is equal to 0. And then we solve using the algebra techniques we have been learning. You can pause the video, try it on yourself, and you'll see that x equals 7, x equals negative 3. And this process works every single time when a equals 1. When a is not equal to 1, we will learn it on the next video.